Oh, hello! Sorry I didn't see you there. Today I'm going to present to you a little about myself and my talent. Enjoy! By the way, I'm Rafael Amadeo Pradinata, but you can call me Deo. Nice to meet you. But let's not get too distracted. I'm 12 years old, and you can probably guess that I'm a 7th grader. I go to school at Santa Ursula BSD, and I live in Panorama Serpong. I am a part of a family of 4. I'm the first and oldest child, as my brother is only 5 years old. I am a part of the Mongolian race, more specifically Chinese or Asian. That means I have black slanted eyes, a big nose, and semi-thick black eyebrows. And I also have semi-white skin. I'm a bit fat, but I'm medium height. I also have other features, such as a medium-pitched voice, short, black, and puffy hair. I have a very bad habit, that being too talkative and getting bored very easily. But I do have a way to counter that, that being my good habits. I remember things easily, and I'm also very active. I'm a bit annoying, but I'm usually nice and I'm always smiling. These personality traits affect my daily life and make me either a hit or a miss. I usually don't pay full attention in class, however, I understand the material and I rarely get bad grades. I believe that my strongest personality trait is being very talkative. And for what I was doing on my laptop, well, I was just coding. Coding is one of my many talents, besides modeling and strategy making. Want some proof? Well, I'll show you. Come over here. As you can see, this is one of my projects. It's very simple, however, it's still complex in its own unique way. As you can see, these are the characters. These characters are called sprites. These are what actually move around here. Now, for more complex games, there are usually a lot more than these. However, this is just a simple game, so I'm not using too many. As you can see, when I click on one of the characters, it shows their code. This is one of the examples of a more simple code. For this code, I use Scratch. Scratch is one of the more simpler websites. These are the blocks you use to make the code. This is for movement. This is for the costumes. This is for sounds. This is for the trigger. This is for repeats. This is for sensing. This is for math. And these two are just for variables and your own custom blocks. Now for my other talent, which is modeling. This is one of the examples of my modeling. I've made a replication of the classroom in Santa Ursula. I've used the app Blender to make this. To make this is actually pretty simple. All you need to do is take an object and shape it into whatever you want, just like this chair. This is one of my more complex ones. This one is actually already done, and as you can see, it's pretty good. But in Blender, there are 4 modes. The first one is this one. This is just to see the lines of all the objects. This one is to see the objects more clearly. However, you cannot see materials or color. This one is the one I used. This one shows all of the material and the colors. However, there's no lighting yet. And this is the last one. This one has lighting, and it makes your device lag pretty bad, so I usually don't use this one. This one is only for rendering. This is the camera. The camera is what allows you to see. This is the camera, so when you press this button, you will see everything the camera sees. Now, this is pretty important for the next step. Now, the next step is actually rendering. When you click this, it shows you the full image of what you've created. See, it looks pretty good, but I still think there can be some improvement. I also have another talent, which is English. You can see some of my English videos on my YouTube channel, Deo's Room. I discovered my coding talent when I was grade 4. When I was grade 4, my main take-home material was Scratch, a simple coding website. I've developed it over time by practicing for a few hours a day and also watching some YouTube videos. I motivate myself to move out of my comfort zone and learn new things. So far, I've entered a coding competition, but I haven't won. But I have won in an English competition. Multiple, actually. The last English competition I entered was a few months ago. I personally think that I'm good enough. However, there are some things that can still be improved, like my quirks and other bad habits. Well, that's all. See you on the flip side and have a great day. Bye!